Today I'm making a simple festive dish, golden, delicious, and beautiful to serve. The word for Toona sounds like spring, symbolizing the return of spring and renewal. The golden eggs represent wealth and prosperity. Harvested in early spring, Toona also conveys vitality, health, and longevity. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. Keep it simple. Crack eggs into a bowl, add salt, and beat until well combined. Heat the pan, add cold oil, then pour in the egg mixture and cook until set. Use a spatula to break it into small pieces. Transfer the scrambled eggs to a bowl and set aside. Now stir-fry the diced bell peppers and carrots until fragrant. Add 1 tablespoon of Toona paste and stir-fry until fragrant. Once fragrant, add the scrambled eggs and toss everything together until the Toona paste evenly coats the eggs. The fragrant Toona scrambled eggs are ready. Plate and serve. The fragrant Toona paste adds a unique savory depth with a subtle garlicky kick, perfectly complementing the rich and fluffy scrambled eggs. Every bite is aromatic and earthy, yet light and fresh on the palate. It's simple, comforting, and full of spring flavor. For those who have never tried Toona paste, to me it actually tastes a lot like canned 5-spiced pork cubes. Toona paste is made from tender young Toona leaves harvested in early spring. It's typically chopped, then preserved with salt and oil, resulting in a fragrant and flavorful condiment. Often used in noodles, dumpling dips, or scrambled eggs, it has a savory, garlicky, wild green taste. Toona paste is quite nutritious. Fresh Toona leaves are rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, and minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. However, the preserved paste is higher in fat and sodium due to the oil and salt used in processing. It's also known for strong antioxidant properties. One study ranked it among the top antioxidant vegetables. That said, store-bought versions can be high in sodium, so it's best to enjoy in moderation. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious home or sienna recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference, whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.